Hi everyone, this is Andrew and I'm back for another demo on the use of the CERTS Educ Online. But this time, we focus on the student module. First off, your school or center must have already provided you with your access code, which you will use to log in this application. First, input your email address, then input your password. You will be greeted by your dashboard with a list of courses enrolled for the period. Let's click on one of the courses, and this will show us a list of the modules under this particular course. For these modules, we may expand them by clicking the down arrow on the rightmost side. For the first module, it shows us now the lessons and the topics under the lessons and the activities that were created for the topic. So for this particular module, Accounting Environment, we have the first lesson, Business and Accounting, and we have another lesson under this module and labeled as Business Transactions and Accounting. Now under each lesson, we have the topics. So allow me to scroll back up. So we have the first topic for Business and Accounting, labeled as Market and Business Cycle. And then next is we have Business Organizations, then Definition of Accounting, etc. You would also notice that we have already activities under the topic. So the activities may include a video lecture, a slide, a PDF, and downloadables may also be provided. There may also be assessments and exercises. The difference between your exercises is that the exercises are not graded, while your assessments will be graded. Also, exercises doesn't have a time limit. However, the assessments, you have time limit to complete the specific assessment. There may also be activities included, which would be for the assignments and projects whenever it applies for the particular course. To view the video, we simply click on the title of the video lecture, in this case the definition of accounting, and it should load the video lecture. Now allow me to mute this video just so you could hear me continue with my discussion.
Good day once more.
And this is the standard size of our video lecture, but if you would like to maximize the screen of your device, you may click on the maximize button found on the lower right side. Please note that you can watch the videos for an unlimited number of views, unless the course developer stated a limit on the number of views. Another option, if you would like to continue watching a specific lecture video, but would like to continue doing other tasks or activities, you may opt to use the function Picture-in-Picture that is accessed by clicking the three dots on the lower right corner and click the Picture-in-Picture button. You would have noticed that the viewing was transferred to this smaller screen. If it's too small for you, you may opt to resize the screen. And then to continue working on other activities, we may now click the back button found at the upper right corner and do other activities covered still in the module. So allow me to click on the first module, and perhaps I would like to read a particular PDF also related to the same topic. So I may click on this PDF. I may be watching a video lecture on the same topic, and I'm also reading the related study notes. To exit the video, I may simply click the close button on the upper right corner of the video. This is for the PDF study notes, and I may also click the back button, and I may also explore the other activities that were provided for us, say for a slide. For the slides to navigate, we may click on the right button or the left button to move to the next slide or to the next page. If we're done, we may click the back button again And the same procedure applies to all the other activities provided in the particular topic, lesson, or module. Another thing sometimes you would notice, a downloadable file is provided to you. These are files intended to be downloaded. So we simply click on the downloadables you have here. We have an accounting basics, that's a PowerPoint. We may click on this icon to download the file. You are now requested to direct your device as to where to store the downloaded file. In my case, allow me to put that in my desktop, and to verify if that was already downloaded, allow me to move to my desktop, and here is the file. So that's basically how we navigate the student module. First, we have our dashboard that shows the list of the courses enrolled for this period, and then we click on the courses to show us the list of the modules, and then we expand the modules to see the lesson contents and the topic contents and activities. Please note, however, what will be visible to you as a student will only be those activities that were made visible by the course developer or the course facilitator, which means there may be other modules, lessons, or topics that may not be visible to you at the moment until such time that they were marked to be shown by the course developer or the course facilitator. Another important feature of the CERTS Online LMS is that the learner's progress in the assessments is monitored and reflected in the flash score. So for all these assessments included in all the modules, lessons, and topics of the course, the performance will be summarized in a simple illustration, the flash score. This tracks the progressive performance in the assessments, and depending on the setup prepared by the course developer and or the facilitator, it may show a different flash score, each for the topical assessments, module assessments, and the course assessments. But for this illustration, I have only prepared one for the topical assessments. To view the details of the flash score, we may click the button View Details down below. This provides us a list of all the assessments included in the course, and it reflects our performance on a per assessment, per topic basis. As such, this may serve as the learner's guide to determine where to focus the learning efforts. May this video help you in navigating your student access in the CERTS Online Learning Management System for the student module. Thank you.